Hi guys, welcome back to Bike Update, your trusted source for the latest two-wheeler news and reviews. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Yamaha Aerox 155, a sporty scooter that combines aggressive design with top-tier performance. Let's find out what sets it apart in the scooter market. Design and styling. The 2025 Yamaha Aerox 155 sports a sharp and aerodynamic design that screams sportiness. Its bold front fascia, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted body panels give it a dynamic presence on the road. The dual-tone color options and sporty graphics enhance its youthful appeal, making it a head-turner wherever it goes. Engine and performance. At its heart, the Aerox 155 is powered by a 155cc liquid-cooled fuel-injected engine with Yamaha's variable valve actuation (VVA) technology. It turns out an impressive 14.8 bhp and 13.9 Nm of torque, ensuring quick acceleration and smooth power delivery. With its lightweight frame, this scooter is perfect for zipping through city traffic or cruising on highways. Features and technology. The Aerox 155 is packed with advanced features, including a fully digital instrument cluster with smartphone connectivity for notifications and vehicle stats. It also boasts keyless ignition, a front storage pocket with a USB charger, and under-seat storage spacious enough for a full-face helmet. These features make it a practical yet tech-savvy choice for ride and comfort. Built on a sturdy underbone frame, the Aerox 155 offers exceptional stability and control. Its telescopic front forks and twin rear shock absorbers ensure a smooth ride even on bumpy roads. The wide, comfortable seat and sporty riding posture add to its appeal for both short commutes and longer rides. Safety and braking. Safety is a priority with the 2025 Aerox 155. Featuring a front disc brake with single-channel ABS for enhanced stopping power. The wide tires provide excellent grip, while the overall braking system inspires confidence during high-speed rides. Pricing and variants. With an expected starting price of 245 lakh ex-showroom, the Aerox 155 offers great value for its premium features and performance. It comes in multiple vibrant color options, catering to a range of rider preferences. Conclusion. The 2025 Yamaha Aerox 155 is a perfect blend of style, performance, and technology, making it one of the best options in the sporty scooter segment. Whether you're a thrill seeker or someone who values practicality, this scooter delivers on all fronts. Stay tuned to Bike Update for more insights into the latest two-wheelers.